Hi guys, it's Sam Day here from DeyTips.com, and in this video I'm going to be speaking about how you can transfer your Wix domain name to a WordPress website. So this might be applicable to some of you. Maybe you've bought your domain with Wix, maybe you even have your website with Wix now and you want to transfer that and turn it into a WordPress website. Then this video should help you out with that. So first and foremost, you're going to need a hosting account, because the difference between Wix and WordPress is when you're creating your website with WordPress, then you need somewhere to host that website. So Wix does all of the hosting for you, but WordPress doesn't, so you need to go and sort that out. So this video is actually kindly sponsored by Hostinger. They are a hosting company that provide really affordable hosting for your website. So if you go to Hostinger, you will see all of the different pricing options that they have available that you can utilize to then go and create your own WordPress site. As you can see, they have multiple different options. They have the single shared hosting, the premium shared hosting, the business shared hosting, and cloud hosting. And their pricing, as you can see, is really affordable. So I recommend looking at all of the features, and depending on what your business needs or what your website needs, go in with the package that suits you. So one thing to note though is that this single shared hosting package does not come with domain at the time of recording this video. So if that's something that you need, then you're going to want, another package. But obviously this video is all about a domain that you already have. So most of you might already have that already, but there still might be other features in the other packages that you might want. So make sure you have a look at the features before you make your final decision. So one thing to note as well is once you decide on your package and you click add to cart, then you will actually get a discount off. As you can see, this will have cost me $479 for the 48-month plan. But I've been able to take off $432, and the reason I've been able to do that is because of the discount code. The link to that discount code is in the description down below, so if you use my affiliate link, then you'll get a percentage off. You can also click have a coupon and type in Sam Day, and this will give you a discount as well. So either you can use the link in the description, or you can type in Sam Day, and obviously that coupon will be in the description as well, and that will give you some money off of your hosting package. So that's one thing that you want to keep in mind. So once you have your hosting account kind of set up, you can then go away and kind of connect your domain name from Wix to Hostinger, your new hosting provider. And what you want to do is, when you're inside of your Wix account now, you want to go to your profile and you want to go to domains. And when you click on domains, you should see an option that allows you to actually transfer your domain away from Wix. After you click on the three little buttons option, then you should see transfer away from Wix. And then it will give you instructions on how you can transfer your domain away from Wix to your new hosting provider. Now, there are a couple of things that you might want to keep in mind with regards to transferring your domain from Wix to WordPress. One of those things being that you may have to wait 60 days if your domain is pretty new. Also, if you've made changes to some of your information, like your contact details for your domain registration and so on and so forth, then this can actually take time as well. So you might need 60 days again for that information to be processed before your domain is properly transferred. And if that is not an issue for you, then you may have to wait 7 days in order for the transfer to actually take full effect. So that's something that you want to keep in mind. But once your domain is with Hostinger and you followed the steps that Wix have emailed you after you've registered your domain, then you can go to your Hostinger account, you can log in and go to where it says domains, and there you should see an option to install WordPress on that particular domain. So that's how simple it is, that's how easy it is. I do have some further tutorials on Hostinger, and I'll leave those in the description down below so you can get set up with WordPress as easily and simply as physically possible. But I really do hope that this video brought you value and helped you to transfer your domain from Wix to a WordPress website. If it was helpful for you, then please click the like button down below and make sure you share this video with a friend. If you have any additional questions or comments, then leave them for me in the comment section. But until next time, watch some of my other great videos. Make sure you subscribe to this channel for more awesome business related content. Have a great day. Make sure you download the formula, and I will see you soon.